So in this demo, I'm going to show you the exact experience you will have with Instant Guru the moment you use the software. So there'll be no BS, this is exactly what you will experience. So as soon as you bought the software, you'll be able to access and log in to the web-based platform, and so if we do that there. The next thing is we're taking to set up our site, and literally guys, this is how incredibly easy it is to set up your site. All you need to do is think of a name for your site, enter your affiliate IDs, and we take care of all the rest. So I'm going to call this an Internet Guru site. There we go, that's one there. And I'm going to call this is my subdomain, so Internet Guru site. You can choose anything you want for your site title, and your subdomain, that's so we host your site for you at this subdomain. But of course, you do have an option to use your own domain too, and I'll show you how you can do that in a bit. But remember, there's no need, we will completely host your site with no monthly fees ever for you. Next, you would enter your Warrior Plus and JvZoo affiliate IDs. Now, I'm not going to go into the process of getting those for you now. It's pretty boring, and I think this demo is going to go on long enough anyway, but trust me, it is super easy to get your affiliate IDs from Warrior Plus to JvZoo, and of course we provide full training on how you do it, but trust me, it only takes seconds. So I'm just going to put in some example ones for now, so just Warrior Plus ID and JvZoo ID, then we click create website, and boom, just like that, an entire site has been created for us. Look at this, guys. It's so simple, it's just so simple. I can show you what the site looks like. Here we go. So look at this incredible site filled with all this content, images. It really looks amazing outside of the box. And if you click on one of these here, we can see it's filled with incredible content posted for us with images, really key strategies and tips and internet marketing news that your visitors are just going to love. All of this content, remember, is fully spun with our content spinning engine, so it's completely original to you, so your site will rank on Google. As well as all this great content, we also have review posts created for you on a regular basis too. Remember, these are reviews about the best converting, best selling JvZoo and Warrior Plus internet marketing products each week. You can see each one has got great sales copy written for you by us. All of it's spun, so it's original, remember. Each one coming with an entire in-depth demo. You can see here, this is a real demo of the software that we're being reviewed. All of this done for you by us. Remember, guys, we do the selling for you. We create the killer sales videos. We create the killer sales copy. You benefit. We even add in bonuses, which are all delivered to your buyers for you. And of course, your affiliate IDs are automatically embedded in all the reviews we create for you. So if anyone clicks that buy now button and then proceeds through and buys, you get full credit for the sale. That's fully automated commissions going to your JvZoo and Warrior Plus accounts every single day for you. Now, that really, if you want to leave it as simple as that, you're totally fine, guys. That you will now receive new content, new reviews, daily basis, all done for you. But if you want to take things a little bit further, if you want to configure things a little bit more, we provide a bunch of different options. So I'll just take you through a few more of those. So first of all, we provide lots of different options in terms of your layout. So you can, if you want to, add a different logo. You can change everything, basically everything on the site. You can change, for example, what it says here in this title. You can change your sub headline. We also provide a bunch of different themes and different colors and approaches, so you can have your site look exactly how you want it to look. We also provide a bunch of different, so you see this background image that's being used here. We provide a bunch of different ones you can choose from there. For example, all of these created for you, or if you want to, you can upload your own banner as well. Now, you may be asking yourself at this point, where does all this content come from? Well, it comes originally from top internet marketing news sites and blogs, and you can find those where exactly your content is coming from in here. Now, we've put a couple of different content sources in there for you for default so that you can get up and running straight away. And remember, because of our content spinning engine, everything that is brought from these is spun into completely original content for you. But if you want to, you can add your own content sources at any point. So all you would need to do is just, well, I'll show you, for example, we could put internet marketing blog. And then basically all you need to do is find a new input source, a new content source. So say this one, for example, you just copy the URL, add the new source here, paste it in here, and then click create. And it's as simple as that. And you can add as many different sources as you want. Don't like our default ones. So if you don't like the content that's been generated from these ones, well, go ahead and delete them. That's absolutely fine. You're in full control. Instant Guru can be as easy or as complex as you want. Want to add some banner ads and opt-in forms to your site? Well, you can do that too, and it is as simple as this. All you need to do is you just click this button here, and then you've got a bunch of different options. You can choose whether to add an banner ad image, so what you would need to do is choose your banner ad, for example this one, and then enter the link that you want people to go to when they click on it. Choose a slot, you can have sidebar for the header, or a specific page if you wish to, and click save. It's as easy as that. We also add the options to add in opt-in forms. All you need to do, copy and paste your opt-in form script in there, and choose your slot. Simple, powerful. So not only are you getting great daily content and monetized done for you reviews, you can also grow your mailing list with your opt-in form and get even more money from your site with banner ads. Now, as mentioned, Instant Guru really can be as simple as entering a site name and affiliate IDs and clicking a button, and that's it. That's the only interaction you would ever need to have with your site. But if you want to, we do provide a bunch of different options. So, for example, if you want, you can add your own custom pages. So it's as simple as this. So for example, on many websites it's popular to add an About Us page. You can do that, it's absolutely fine. You can type in any text you want here. This is a full visual editor, so you can add in videos, you can bold text, you could add in an image. So if we add in an example image, you can have this to look exactly how you want it. So if we just click save, obviously I haven't really put much time into this, guys, it's not going to look great, but it's just to show you as an example. If we refresh the page here, you can see our About Us page that we've just created has appeared here, and it just looks exactly how we created it. Yeah. The Instant Guru sites that are created for you are fully hosted for you by us at no additional cost to you. There's never going to be any monthly hosting costs. But if you want to, and you prefer to use your own domain instead of using our site subdomain, you can do that, and it's as simple as copying and pasting either of these embed codes. You can choose whether you want an iframe or a script, and you just copy and paste those where you want your site to appear on your own domain. We can also provide the option to download the site as a file, so that you can just upload that to wherever you want, and your entire site will appear there for you on your own domain. Now, on top of all of that, guys, on top of all of that, everything that you've seen here today is all fully editable. So it's not just the design, it's the body. So, for example, this is the the first review that's been created for us. Remember, you get more and more reviews created for you on a regular basis every single week. We can see here that you can edit any of this, so perhaps I want this to be bold. I could add in my own images, my own videos, I could change the title, anything I want. This is all fully editable. And the same thing goes for all of the posts that have been created for us. Remember, I've just created this site, so there's not many being created, but you can go in here and you can do anything you want, any changes, everything is all fully editable. Remember, It's as simple as this, a full visual editor, and you just click Save Changes. And if you want to, you can even manually generate your own posts as well. So you can have your own custom posts just as much as your own custom pages, and even your own custom reviews if you want to. And guys, that's really Instant Guru in a nutshell. It can literally be as simple as you choosing a name and entering your affiliate IDs and clicking a button, and you never have to worry about your site again. It creates great original content, monetized reviews. You just watch the commissions go into your JvZoo and Warrior Plus account. It can be as simple as that. Or if you want to, you've got full control over your layout, add custom posts, add custom pages, edit anything you want. Instant Guru puts you in control of your internet marketing destiny, and I think you're going to absolutely love it when you jump on board with us today.